Today, we're taking a closer look at a 1977 Ford LTD, one of the last true full-size American cruisers of the 70s. This car represents the era when comfort was king, with a massive body, soft suspension, and Ford's dependable 400 cubic inch V8 under the hood. According to its history, this LTD reportedly ran before it was parked about 9 years ago. Now, the engine still turns over, suggesting the internals might be healthy, but the fuel system likely needs a full clean, something common on cars that have sat for long periods. The carburetor will probably need a rebuild, and of course, a fresh battery is mandatory for any revival attempt. What makes this model interesting is its reputation for durability. Compared to other land yachts of its time, the 77 LTD sits in a sweet spot, large, comfortable, but still relatively simple to work on. The mileage, showing around 59,000, could make it an even more attractive time capsule, though naturally you'd want to verify mechanical condition after the long storage. For enthusiasts, cars like this offer a unique mix of challenge and reward, restoring an engine that has slept for years, bringing old fuel lines back to life, and rediscovering how smooth a big-body V8 cruiser can feel on the road. Whether you love it for nostalgia or mechanical curiosity, a Ford LTD from this era always has a story waiting to be revived. Thanks for watching. If you love uncovering hidden gems from America's automotive past, make sure to stick around. There's always another classic waiting to be revived.